Hi students, today we want to continue the preparation methods of alcohols. In that from alkenes we started, from alkenes, and from alkenes in the preparation methods, the first method we already gave, that is acid catalyzed hydration, and second method is also given, that is a hydroboration oxidation method, and the third method is oxymercuration demercuration. Oxymercuration, oxymercuration, and demercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration method. Here in the oxymercuration and demercuration method, here what we will do mainly is when we are going for oxymercuration and demercuration, in this process mainly the first step is oxymercuration process. For the oxymercuration demercuration process, HgOAc taken twice bar H2O. That is the first reagent. And the second step reagent is demercuration process. For the demercuration process, we use NaBH4 bar H plus. Sorry, OH minus. So in the place of demercuration and oxymercuration process, this occurs. And in this, mainly if you are taking any oxymercuration process, HgOAc. Here AC means acetyl group. Please remember, AC means acetyl group. And this HgOAc decomposes to HgOAc plus OAc plus and OAc minus, acetyl group, that is acetate ion. And here, for example, we are taking RCH double bond CH2, an alkene. To this alkene, first we are adding HCOAc, then this is added on these double bonded carbon atoms, and this is forming RCH CH2, and here the Hg and plus OAc, this is formed. Okay, here also a cyclic cation is formed, and in the hydroboration oxidation also a cyclic intermediate is formed. And in the next step means H2O is added. Here H2O contains H plus and OH minus. So generally we can write like H OH, and this is having two lone pairs, and this lone pair containing this will be added on this carbon atom. So what we are getting here is RCH OH and H and CH2, and here oxygen is losing one lone pair, so it is getting a positive charge, and here it is a HgOAc. And here very important thing, this is an anti-addition. This side it is added, suppose in this side it is not coming, H2O molecule is not coming attack from this side, it is attacking from the opposite side. So this is called as anti-addition process. Anti-addition process. By the anti-addition process, we are getting this reaction, and after this, one hydrogen is removed. This pair of electrons are given to this, and so this hydrogen is removed as H plus. So what is formed in the first step is RCHOH and CH2 HgOAc, that is formed. And in the next step, this is second step, this is first step, till the formation of this it is first step. The second step is demercuration process. In the demercuration process, the HgOAc is reacting with this NaBH4, I will give the separate reaction. This is first step, for example. This is a first step. In the second step, the RCH OH, and here it is CH HZOAC we have. To this we are adding NaBH4. Actually, NaBH4 contains Na plus BH4 minus ion, and this I will write separately Na plus and BH4 minus, but the BH4 minus also splits into BH3 and H minus. This H minus adding to this carbon atom. So to this carbon atom it is adding, and then this pair of electrons are shifting onto the mercury, and here HZO bond is present. That bond pair electrons are shifting onto the oxygen. So what is formed here is RCH OH, and here CH, sorry, CH2, this is already CH2, and it is getting one more hydrogen, so it is becoming CH3. So CH2 getting one more hydrogen, so it becomes CH3 plus what is formed other, the other products which are formed is here HZ is removed. So HZ is removed with 0 oxidation number, and the other one is OAC minus. Acetate ion is formed. So in the first step or beginning we got one acetate ion. Finally also we will get another acetate ion. Two acetate ions are separated and mercury is removed from this. So this is called as demercuration. Mercury is released as a Hg zero oxidation state. Mercury in zero oxidation state is released. So this is called as a demercuration process. So this is a two-step process, and the main and important point in this reaction is the first and important point. Tell me what are the products and how the products are formed. If you see, this is reactant and this is product. Sorry, this is reactant. So this is reactant and this is the product. The main product is this one. Now tell me what is the reactant and product. If you observe, just a water molecule is added. When water molecule is adding, OH group added to the middle carbon, H is added to this carbon. It is looking like acid catalyzed hydration, no? Means Marconi of addition, no? So the first and important thing to remember is this is a Markovnikov addition reaction. Markovnikov addition reaction. Markovnikov addition reaction occurs. The second important thing here is it is an anti-addition process. It is an anti-addition process, whereas hydroboration oxidation is synaddition process. It is an anti-addition process. And the third point is there any carbocation formation? Is there any carbocation formation occurred? No, there is a cyclic intermediate only which is unstable. So no carbocation is formed. No carbocation. No carbocation formation. No carbocation formation means no rearrangement. Therefore, no rearrangement reactions. So, no rearrangement reaction occurs. No rearrangement reaction. So, this is a most important point. So, these 3 points are very, very important for oxymercuration, demercuration. So, in the first step is Markovnikov addition reaction. This is a Markovnikov addition reaction. Second step is anti-addition process occurs. Means one group is added from one plane, another group is added from the opposite plane. So this is anti-addition process. Third step, no carbocation intermediate is formed, so no rearrangement reaction occurs. Hydride shift, methyl shift doesn't occurs. Okay, these are the three reactions for the preparation of alcohols from alkenes. So what are those three preparation methods? First one is acid catalyzed hydration, second catalyst hydroboration oxidation, third one is oxymercuration demercuration. I will give all these three methods at one place. So first one is H plus. This is 3 we can take. So this is so in this process mechanism, reaction mechanism, if you are taking first point, what is the reaction mechanism occurring? It is a Markovnikov addition. The first and important point is acid catalyzed hydration occurs via Markovnikov addition process. Second, hydroboration oxidation. This is occurred by anti-Markovnikov addition mechanism. Anti-Markovnikov's addition. Third one is also Markovnikov addition. It is also Markovnikov addition process. Okay. And second, is there any carbocation formation? Carbocation intermediate formation? Yes, here carbocation is formed. Carbocation is formed. Carbocation is formed. Here cyclic. Okay, better to write no carbocation intermediate. No carbocation formation occur. And here also no carbocation formation occur. That is the best way. And the third one, is there any rearrangement reaction? Rearrangement reaction. Here the rearrangement reaction means yes, rearrangement occurs. Rearrangement occurs due to the formation of carbocation. Here no rearrangement reaction, here also no rearrangement reaction. And fourth important point, type of addition. Here what type of addition occur? This is a syn addition reaction. It is a syn addition reaction, and this is a anti-addition reaction. Syn addition, and that is anti-addition reaction. Syn means from same plane. I said now this is one group of the reagent, this is another group of the reagent. Here double bonded carbon you have. Then if these both are added from the same plane, it is called as syn addition. If one is added from one plane, another one is added from the opposite plane to the double bonded carbons, like C double bond C is present here. This is one reagent and this is another reagent. If they are adding like this opposite plane, then this is called as anti-addition process. Okay. So this is a very important one. They are giving questions basing on this. Okay. Suppose if they are giving a compound like CH3, 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 CH double bond CH2. To this, if they are giving three reactants, here three reagents, then what are the products? First one is H plus dot H2O, and second one is B2H6 bar THF and H2O2 bar OH minus. Third one is HgOAc taken twice bar H2O and NaBH4 bar OH minus. So then tell me what are the products for these three reactions? Oxymercuration, demercuration, it is hydroboration oxidation, this is acid catalyzed hydration. This is acid catalyzed hydration, this is hydroboration oxidation, this is OMDM, oxymercuration, demercuration. Now tell me what are the products for this reactant if they gave, what are the products for these reagents? And here suppose first one if you are taking, what is the reactant acid catalyzed hydration is undergoing to this reaction, and here acid catalyzed hydration means what we said, it is a Markovnikov addition, and in the Markovnikov addition reaction there is a first carbocation formation, rearrangement occurs. Here suppose H plus is added, for example, suppose H plus is added, for example, on this carbon, you will get a carbocation here. This is a secondary carbocation. This is a secondary carbocation. The adjacent one we have quaternary. So there is a chance of rearrangement. Here, this group is undergoing to rearrangement, and then this carbocation formation occurred, and then the OH group of this attacks on this carbon. Okay, that is first one when we are using the acid catalyzed hydration process. So what is the product here? So CH3, C, CH3, and here we will get OH, and here it is CH and CH3, and this is CH3. So so what is happened here? Carbocation formed, Markovnikov addition occurred. Please remember, carbocation formed, Markovnikov addition occurred, rearrangement also occurred. Next, second one. Please check it. In the second one, is it possible? So this is first reaction. Okay, we will go through the second method. In the second method, what we said, hydroboration oxidation means it is an intermediate, cyclic intermediate only formed, which is unstable. The cyclic intermediate, or finally how we can write the products, anti-Markovnikov addition products, addition of water to the anti-Markovnikov. Here H and here OH group. So what is the product for this? CH3, C, CH3, and here CH3, and here CH single bond, CH2 to this OH, and to this H is added. You can write like this, or you remove this hydrogen and add like this. Both are same. That is no carbocation. This is anti-Markovnikov. First and important thing is anti-Markovnikov addition. Anti-Markovnikov addition reaction, and second thing is no carbocation formation. So no rearrangement, there is same places. And third one, oxymercuration, demercuration. Simply how we can write the products means Markovnikov addition without any rearrangement. So here what happens means Markovnikov addition occurs. Markovnikov addition occurs. Markovnikov addition reaction, and here no carbocation rearrangement. So CH3, C, CH3, and here it is CH3, and it is CH and CH3, here it is OH. So this is 2 without any rearrangement, 1 with rearrangement. Okay. This one and this one, same or different? Both are same or different? Tell me. Both are same. There is no difference. Okay. Sometimes in bond line structure form also they can give. You will get the same type of products. Next method, from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides to alcohols. So if alkyl halides to alcohols, how we can get? From alkyl halides. Alkyl halides to alcohols, how we can prepare? Here we are having RX. This is an alkyl halide. It is reacting with aqueous KOH or NaOH. Then it is forming ROH plus KX plus H2O. Or we can use here moist silver oxide, moist Az2O. That moist silver oxide means we are having Az2O plus H2O, which forms AzOH, silver hydroxide. That moist silver oxide gives same alcohol AzX and H2. Okay, and in this reaction, basing on the alcohol taken, suppose if tertiary alcohol is taken, tertiary alkyl halide is taken, then it undergoes to SN1 reaction. If it is a primary alkyl halide, it is undergoing to SN2 reaction. Okay, this is a different process, that is from alkyl halide to alcohol formation reaction. It is just simply nucleophilic substitution reaction.